Welcome back to Craft Catalog, the home of clever ideas, stylish transformations and unforgettable DIY moments. Today's video opens the door to a world where simple wooden pieces can transform how you organize and decorate your space. If you've ever wondered how a few boards, scraps, or affordable wood panels can create stunning decor elements, you're in the right place. Get ready because what you're about to see might just change the way you think about wood forever. Let's begin with the surprising truth that wooden decor doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or time-consuming. Even the simplest wooden shapes can become powerful visual elements in your home. In today's lineup, you'll see smart organizational pieces, eye-catching wall features, elegant tabletop accents, and a few ideas that blur the line between art and storage. As you watch, pay attention to how each design elevates the room, not with fancy tools or high-end lumber, but with creativity and thoughtful arrangement. Our first category focuses on wooden organizers. Wood offers a natural warmth that blends seamlessly with any style, from minimalist to farmhouse to modern. Imagine a slim wall organizer that becomes both decor and functional storage. A few clean lines, a floating shelf, or a small grid pattern can give you places to store keys, mail, notes, or even decorative accents. What makes these designs feel luxurious is not the complexity, it's the thoughtful layout. A simple piece becomes a statement when proportions and spacing are intentional. In another idea, small wooden boxes or trays can become multifunctional organization systems. Instead of hiding clutter inside closed drawers, these open displays can turn your essentials into organized decor. Whether you're arranging jewelry, office supplies, or makeup, wooden compartments instantly make everything look more curated. The beauty is that the wood doesn't need to be expensive. Unfinished pine, leftover pieces, or craft wood panels all work beautifully when arranged with purpose. Next, let's shift into wooden wall decor. One of the easiest ways to elevate a room is by adding layered wooden shapes. Thin slats arranged in vertical patterns create height and elegance. Horizontal panels bring calm and balance. Geometric arrangements, circles, diamonds, or asymmetric lines, add personality that feels custom and high-end. These wall pieces create visual intrigue without overwhelming the room. Sometimes, just a few carefully placed boards can completely change the atmosphere. Now let's explore tabletop accents. Wooden risers, mini pedestals, and decorative stands give your tables and countertops dimension and charm. A simple riser turns an everyday candle or vase into a focal point. A wooden centerpiece tray adds softness and structure to a dining or coffee table. Shapes and edges matter here. Rounded corners feel soft and modern, while sharper edges feel sleek and minimal. Whether stained, natural, or painted, the effect is always stylish. Another inspiring category is wooden storage designs that double as decor. Think of wooden crates repurposed into shelves, tiered stands made from stacked pieces, or small modular cubes that can be rearranged depending on your needs. Their versatility makes them especially appealing, and the visual texture of wood provides an elevated look even when the design is simple. These pieces not only help organize your home but also add character and warmth to every corner. And finally, a favorite among viewers, transforming leftover or scrap wood into stunning decor pieces. Even the smallest offcuts can become beautiful accents. Tiny frames, miniature wall decor, photo holders, candle bases, or small sculptural pieces. These little additions bring charm to your shelves and reveal the beauty of simple materials. You'll see how these designs encourage you to look at wood in a new way. Nothing is wasted, everything has potential. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to Craft Catalog. You don't want to miss the upcoming ideas we're planning, unexpected transformations, smart storage hacks, and decor designs that turn everyday materials into art. If you enjoy inspiration, creativity, and a spark of surprise in every video, this channel is your home. Now sit back, enjoy the rest of today's wooden design journey, and let your imagination wander. Which project will inspire your next creation? Which idea will reshape a part of your home? Keep watching, you might discover the perfect piece waiting for you.